Soft and crunchy today was born. And here we go, guys. Like you can see, we got a little bit of time lapse here and there, but it was really hard because these guys have been working super hard every single day. It's been 1 week, and here we go. Look at this. We clean up everything outside. These guys keep working. Let's go inside. Let's see the progress of the location after 1 week. Okay, like you can see here, they just passed the. There's nothing anymore. They clean up the top, the bottom, everything is so basically they put all the electricity line. That's where the pizza oven is gonna go there. That's where the kitchen is gonna be. This is where it's gonna be. I know it's a totally mess right now. Here is gonna go the kitchen where we're going to prep the dough machine right here. We got all the cables, and let's see the progress. It's been a few days that I've been working. I want to show you one of the most important parts of this location, which is this look right here. Like you can see, the look of this location, what I've been studying of soft and crunchy, the industrial look. So it's a very simple look, which is very raw, and it's gonna be look like cement and metal. So, and then a little bit of a piece of wood. So this is gonna be the look. That's why I wanted to show it to you. That's how it's going to be look like. It's still fresh. Welcome back from Maestro Iacopelli. I'm exhausted. This is the most intense and long journey that I had in my life. Guys, like the title says, welcome to my new pizzeria studio. I know I miss you guys so long time. I didn't post. I'm trying to make this video one of the best video in my channel, so please go ahead, share, watch until the end, because I made this place from scratch. Finally, this is the best moment in my life. There is, look at this. I'm making the first time balls pizza dough ever in this place that I built from scratch, from my hands, from nothing. Vincent, how should we start? We have people here from Los Angeles. Came all the way from LA to Italy, big supporter, real supporter, friends, and just to show you how we should start this.
Welcome to my new pizza studio.
Welcome
to my new studio, that's it.
So let me finish this and then I show you step by step the location, the stations that we built. Let me sit in these beautiful tables, and like you can see, I want to explain to you the final journey, what we did from the beginning. Let's start to say from this table and the location. So we custom made the pizza place, this pizza place from scratch, from nothing. So it feels that this place is much more valuable because we put the life into this, my hands and everything. So this place was totally disaster. It was totally different. Like you can see, we remodeled the floor, we remodeled the walls, we custom made everything from really from nothing, just from ideas. I wanted to make this place really industrial look. Me, my father, my grandfather, my friends, family, everybody helped out in this project because we wanted to make everything unique. My idea was to make this place with different sets. So the first set was the pizza place, of course. So we made a custom-made the table, the countertop. I wanted to make like some chairs for the people to see, more like a Japanese style. And then, of course, we custom-made the bar, because if somebody comes here, they want to do a cocktail, and then also I decide to make a real home kitchen. So we're gonna make a lot of food that is made at home, so that's why we decided to make a home kitchen inside the pizza place with a home oven, island where we can cook, with a little kitchen in the center. Then also we made a professional kitchen, which is mostly like industrial. Here I have to say a huge thank you to Pizza Group, because that's where I got all my equipments, mostly the most important equipment. So thank you so much, Pizza Group, to make this happen, especially this amazing pizza oven, which was really hard to bring it inside, but we made it happen. And then the fridge from Primax, and I have to say they all sell in United States, worldwide shipping and everything. And also this amazing dough machine, custom made for me, which is black, which makes the dough outstanding. So they have everything that you need when you open a restaurant, or also for home. Also we have a home oven that you can use at home. So the fryer, everything. So sorry if I missed something here. And then also I want to give you a big thank you to G Metal, my sponsor. They give me all the pills, the kit that you need to make pizzas. Without that, you cannot make pizzas. Okay guys, and now after I know I talk too much, let me give you a walkthrough of this amazing pizzeria. So guys, these are the tables, like you can see, outstanding. We got some couple of chairs. Vieni, Francesco, grazie. You give me this remote control. Francesco, girati. Francesco, also give me the hands here. Look at this. So this are all the tables, chair, the bench that we build from scratch. I forgot to say the bench too. The bench was built from I also have a video on YouTube about that. So let's start with this. This is the coffee shop. Let's do a beer really quick. Vieni Francesco, vuoi la birra? You want to taste the beer? Piccolo o grande? Piccola. Small beer from Peroni, Nastro Azzurro, which I believe is one of the best beer. Let's see if it works. Super cold. First beer of soft and crunchy. Thank you so much. Pizzeria, no problem. Thank you for the help. So this is the coffee shop. Like you can see here, we have the USA wall, which I believe USA is in my heart. 12 years of Los Angeles, and USA always will be in my heart, like I say, and I will never forget. USA give me everything. So I brought it here, a little bit of USA in Italy. This is the restroom. We forgot about we also custom made the sink here. A little thing, little details that makes the difference. Come with me to the home kitchen. Voila, go right there and show this is the home kitchen. We're still missing the pizza oven here, but that's, sorry, not the pizza oven, the home oven, fully for the house. This is where we're going to cook and show you the whole food. We're waiting for everything here for the people that tomorrow we're going to open. Yeah, also here we have Los Angeles. Let's go, let's move on. Guys, take a look of this. This is the art. This is actually mine. This is a Vespa 50 special from 1958, I believe. This is actually fully functional. We build this, we put it on the wall. California, by the way, always. And this doesn't go anywhere. So it's attached properly to the wall. We put that for the kids. And guys, take a look of this. Let me turn on the light here. But before that, before we go there, look at this. Go there. Go over there. Are you ready? Look what I did here. Boom. Voila. This is the light effect that we give to this pizzeria. I wanted to give a nice touch. How is the look in the video? Good? Look at this. By Vito Iacopelli. By Vito Iacopelli. Soft and crunchy. Okay. Let's turn on the light, the pizza place light. Boom. Oh, I'm still gonna figure out. So guys, welcome. Go from there because they're gonna see the actual set, how it will look in my videos. Because this is, again, a video set. Welcome to the pizzeria that you are going to see from now on my videos. This is where we're going to stretch the pizzas, custom made from scratch. Look at this. We made it happen. This is the table, the countertop for the ingredients. Boom, boom, boom. Tomato sauce, everything there. The amazing pizza oven, guys. Turn it on. Well, the time that it's gonna go on, I wanna show it to you. It's gonna go on a little bit. This oven, it's a beast. Let's go, come with me, let's keep going. This is the set from G-Metal, like you guys see, beautiful. Thank you so much, G-Metal, if you're watching this. Let's go here. And this is the commercial kitchen. Gico professional kitchen, Gico professional fryer. And then we got a line of fridges from Primax. We're gonna make the salads. This is the fridge for my dough. I'm actually gonna check it out. How it looks. It looks good. It looks good. And then we have a freezer there, sink, and this is the pizza dough. I don't wanna miss anything here. Fully speed, fully functional. We got a timer. This goes 10 speed on, boom, boom, boom. This is perfect. We made the dough. We will see of course, we were going to make videos about how the pizza oven will work, the dough machine. So step by step, we'll make this happen for you. So please comment below if I'm missing something. Let's go back in the oven here. It's on. Look at this. The light here. Okay, let's check out this pizza oven. Check out. Oh, boom, light inside. You get the pressure in there. Done. Oh, look at this. Boom, boom, boom. That's fantastic. Everything is hot, it's ready. I'm gonna make some pizzas tomorrow. Lights off, turn it on. And this actually, with that door, tick like that, you save some money on the electricity. So now, I'm gonna go ahead and wait for the big day tomorrow, which is the grand opening. I'm gonna shoot everything. But before that, you have to see, I'm gonna make the first pizza. So I'll see you tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and shave a little bit because it's been 4 months, insane 4 months. We have thousands of people tomorrow coming. If you see yourself in this video, thank you so much for coming all the way to Italy. Talk too much.
See you tomorrow.
I'll see you tomorrow. Let's wrap it up. And here we are, the day after, and it's time to make the first ever pizza. I'm gonna make a special. I'm getting ready because we have all the people outside. So let's go ahead and let's not waste the time because it's late already. And let's make the first pizza. Okay, let's stretch. Parmesan cheese, I'm gonna make one really little bit special. And fresh mozzarella. Now let's go in the oven. Still gonna figure out the spaces here. And let's test this electric oven. Passare? Vai. Here we go. Pizza almost ready. Everything, keep in mind, everything is new. So we have to figure out everything, all the equipments, how they look like. So let's put this on the plate. We're gonna cut it in four. Cut it in four. Put a slice of beef, olive oil on the crust with the herbs. And then a little bit of lemon. And to finish, we'll put a little bit of basil.
Vito, too much people are outside, no?
I know, everybody's waiting. Voila, here's the first pizza. Let me taste and let's go welcome everyone to Soft and Crunchy Pizzeria. Yes, it's approved. Let's go ahead and let's welcome everybody. Let's go. What a long day, what a long night. More than 1,000 people came and it was a successful day. Insane. Everybody's helping right now to clean up everything, brand new, because tomorrow we have the first private event. And this was insane. We made over probably 600 pizzas.
Yeah.
Yes. We mix it, we cut in four and we serve it to the people. More than I don't know what it's doing. Guys, thank you so much. I'm exhausted because I need a vacation now for months. But I know myself, I'm not gonna take a vacation. We're gonna make this. Actually, we're gonna start to plan some shooting of videos because we're gonna make this happen just for you. We're gonna start to make home videos, pizza videos, professional videos, everything for you, everything for YouTube. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Please, if you didn't watch the whole thing, please go back and watch the whole thing, share with friends, comment below. And if you ever in Puglia, come and visit me. Soft and Crunchy today was born. So thank you so much for the battle of my heart. If you follow me the whole journey, this was a 4 or 5 months of journey and my dream came true today. Thank you to all my friends, thank you to all my sponsors, thank you Pizza Group, thank you G-Metal, thank you everybody. My friends, family, I'll see you at the next one, and thank you. Ciao.